In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up service cost in Goodday. We'll walk through this step by step so you can start tracking the cost of your services and labor more accurately inside your Goodday workspace. Make sure you're already logged into your Goodday account before you begin so you can follow along in real time. First, look at the lower left corner of your Goodday screen. You should see your profile icon there. This is usually a small circle with your initials or a profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your main entry point for personal and account-related settings in Goodday. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option called Account Settings. This is where you manage things related to your account and workspace configuration, including billing and financial settings. If you don't see this option, you may need the appropriate permissions, so check with your workspace administrator. Once you're inside account settings, look for a section labeled Billing and Finance. Click on that. This section is dedicated to anything related to costs, payments, and financial tracking within your Goodday environment. It's the place where you connect how your team works with how you track costs. On the Billing and Finance page, you may see multiple tabs or subsections. Again, choose Billing and Finance if you see it as a tab or header. Sometimes platforms repeat this label at different levels of the menu, so don't worry if the wording looks similar. The key is that you're staying within the Billing and Financial Configuration area. Inside this section, look for an option called Labor Cost. Click on Labor Cost. This is where you can define or adjust the cost associated with the time your team spends on tasks or services. Even if you're not entering specific rates right now, it's useful to know that this is the place where those settings live. Finally, within the labor cost area, find the setting called Service Cost. There should be a toggle switch next to it. Turn this toggle on. Once enabled, Goodday will start using Service Cost in your billing and finance workflows, which can help you better understand profitability, project costs, and overall financial performance. And that's it. You've successfully set up service costs in Goodday, starting from your profile icon and finishing in the billing and finance section.